I'm out here today representing 660 Street, Lucille shirt, baby. So my wife bought me this Masterbuilt smoker, a little something different today. I'm still gonna work on the car, but also going to see if I can smoke some brisket while I'm working on the car. So let's check it out.
What we got going on here. Yeah, I gotta cut my grass. Goes pretty wild. Anyway, this is a smoker here. So I already seasoned it, as they say. I sprayed some cooking oil on it and ran it for a couple hours. So now what I'm gonna clean it out. Get it open, clean it out. Get these old wood chips out of here. Alright, so I get that thrown away. And get some of this cleaned out. I've been looking at other YouTubers about grilling, and I may put some aluminum foil down in there. Keep this front here from rusting out. But so I gotta get my water tray in there and get it warmed up. Slow kick it, maybe about 200 degrees. By the time my wife gets off this afternoon, maybe that brisket will be done. I'm starting to think she bought this grill, this smoker for her so that she can enjoy some smoked meat more so than me. I was happy with my gas grill, but hey, I'll take it though. So I got a lot of things I need to work on around here. Man, the main thing being my grass. Lord Jesus, I need to get this grass cut. Alright, so let's get this started up, get this cleaned out here, and get it. Alright, so here's my brisket here. It's already been seasoned and sitting for a little while. While the smoker's coming down to temperature, and I had to adjust it. Need to buy me a regulator, that way I don't have to play with the valve on the tank to get it where I want it. So, yeah, this is my first time smoking. However, I do have somebody in my corner that's gonna help me out. I'm gonna shout him out in a second. Hold on.
So yeah, like I said, it's my first time smoking anything, but you know, my bro, my cousin, my homie for life, Jason Brown in South Carolina. If you guys are in South Carolina, North Carolina, the Hunter, Dunn Benson area, and you want some good smoked pork, ribs, this ain't pork anything, but chicken, whatever, this guy will do it up for you. All right, I'm taking that to him. I'm taking his pointers right now. You know, he gave me some of his sauce recipes. I am not going to disclose them. You know, those are his secret things. You know what I mean? But hey, for all my buddies out there, Kenny, Chris Avery, Duran Rogers, Michael Vineyard, you guys can vouch for this man's barbecue. You guys takes it his barbecue, he puts it down on the grill. So if you guys in the North Carolina, South Carolina area, you know, that Florence area right in there, you want some good barbecue, hit my man Jason up. You know what I mean? And he will hook you guys up. So I'm gonna go ahead and follow what he told me to do, and I'm gonna see if I can get it right for my first time, you know. So let's do it, let's get to it. All right, so I'll put this mixture together. All right, so I'll put this mixture together here. Shake it up a little bit. I'm not gonna disclose what exactly is in here. Hey, we're gonna make it work, all right? Gonna spray a little bit on this brisket and see how she comes out.
She looks like she is ready to go at about 200 degrees. Got that nice blue haze coming off the top. Get everything that I'm saying is coming straight from Larry Brown. All right, got my brisket glazed up. About to throw her in there. Woo. Yeah, look at that. All right, let's get it. Probably should have had my tongs here, so let me go grab those so I can put it. Got the brisket in there. close it up. She came down a little bit. Let's check the bottom flame. Nice. And coming off there. See if this temperature can stay regulated at about 200. I come back about an hour, check this temperature. Like I say, first time grilling. Well, not grilling, first time smoking. Been grilling for years. All right. So it's been about 3 hours. We're gonna check this brisket, this cut brisket that's in there. She coming out pretty good, pretty good. Pretty good.
I made a rookie mistake with smoking, but hey, still looks good. I'm gonna leave it wrapped up in this aluminum foil, right? Try to keep some of the juices in there and let it set for a little while. Right. Puts it in the oven, just keep the heat on it. But I think she's done. She's done. She's at an internal temperature of about 165, 170. So she's good. I threw some chicken on there to smoke it next, so that should only take a couple of hours. It's been on there for about an hour.
Well, I just took the brisket off, and I feel like it's been a long day. Now I've got chicken in there, so let's check on that. See what that's at right now. Chicken cooking at about 250. Woo! All right. And she gonna turn out nice and good. Go ahead and take that thermometer out of there. It probably wasn't meant to sit in there for the whole time, but I don't know. It was $6.
Yep, I think the chicken came out pretty good in the smoker. Didn't take long at all. Came out pretty good. And I can smell the aroma from it right now. Too bad I gotta wait till my wife get home to eat. Well, maybe not. Alright, so it's been sitting here for a little while. She already been snacking on it, but I want to get her reaction now. So cut a little piece off.
I already ate it. It's good.
We'll just cut another piece.
Mommy.
What do you think?
All right, thanks guys. Thank you for tuning in for something a little different today. You know, but yeah, my barbecue fails and smoking trials, whatever. We'll learn. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time for maybe some more barbecue or some more car content.
Okay.
All right. Have a good one and a better tomorrow.